In this video, we're delving into the realm of obtaining free live wallpapers for your PC. It's an exciting journey, so make sure you stick around till the end. Let's kick things off by introducing you to a software called Lively Wallpaper. This is your gateway to dynamic backgrounds that can elevate your desktop experience. Now, where can you find this magical software? Well, you have two options: the Microsoft app or the author's website, Rockdinus. For a smoother ride, I highly recommend grabbing it from Rockdinus' website. Once you're on the website, you'll encounter an interactive page showcasing the wonders of these wallpapers. You can play around with settings like intensity, size, and speed to tailor the experience to your liking. Hit that download button and watch as the installer starts its journey onto your PC. With a file size of around 250 MB, the wait time might vary depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, it's time to embark on the installation process. Simply follow the prompts, selecting your preferences along the way. Once installed, launch the software and behold the array of default wallpapers at your disposal. But wait, there's more. You can also add your own wallpapers and even videos. To use a YouTube video as your wallpaper, simply find the video you fancy, copy the link, and paste it into the software. Then, customize settings like sound and quality to your heart's content. And voila! You've unlocked the realm of free live wallpapers on your PC. If you found this journey helpful, consider subscribing and giving the video a thumbs up. Thanks for joining us on this adventure.